I have a small white ash pole here that I'm going to split in half, and I'm going to be using it for a snake and rail fence I'm going to construct, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Nothing special, but I do have one little trick to show you. Assuming it wants to run off, I can show you how to stop that from happening. So that's how I start it. Now if I used an axe to cut the tree down, I'd say, well, you just start it with an axe. This isn't very straight right here. There we go. I got two wedges and I got a smaller one here. That's the one I start with. This actually looks like a black ash. They are hard. Oops. This is a bad spot. Running pretty good. Okay, now she's starting to run off. What I mean by running off is it wants to split away before we get to the end. You can see this right here. It's getting narrower here, and this is a thicker piece. So what's going to happen is this is going to run off and cut this thing off short. I don't want that to happen, so this is all I do. Plunge, give you a That's all you need to do. That'll get her back to straight. Must be a knot right there. Alright, she's starting to run off again. Actually not, see? She's crawling back in. Yeah, she's going good now. So far. Won't take much and she can start running off again. Oh, she's gonna go right through here. Let's get a there she goes. Together back here yet. That's where she wanted to run off, right there.